Yo, what's good, guys? KosherTech here. So today we got some more, actually something new right here. We got some Chinese gaming headsets to review. Now you can see over here, both of them are from MPOW. Let's get to it. All right, so I was cruising down Amazon and I'm like, yo, I want some budget headphones, some gaming headphones, what we got out there. So I went through it and I checked. These things are dirt cheap. So we got on the left side the MPOW. This is the model BH317A. This is gonna run you $30. This MPOW EG3 is basically gonna run you $25. So this is very, very cheap in a sense. So let's start with the boxes first. Very nice presentation, of course, for a Chinese company. Let's flip them aside. So what we got over here? Let's see, on this one we got 3D sound, 3D surround sound, which means honestly BS. We got 50 millimeter drivers, which is nice. This supports PC, Mac, and PS4. Not too sure if it supports console. Not too sure if it supports console. Excuse me, not too sure if it supports Xbox. If you got Xbox, let me know in the description below. But I believe it supports Xbox, but I'm not sure. Big ear cup design, which is nice. LED light. Multifunctional wired controller. Bet we got the same thing. Trash 3D sound. 50mm drivers. This just says PC gaming. So PC gaming with the Xbox controller. All right. Soft, comfortable LED light, and it got an equalizer. All right, bet. So that's nice. Let's flip it. And this model is MBBH. Man, you guys see it right here, man. I'm out here reading it. All right. So in the back, so we got the technical side. All right. So here we got noise canceling. We got powerful HD surround sound, comfortable to wear headset. We got the specs over here. Same thing basically here. Got the specs over here. That looks all nice. Let's take them out the box. I am curious. Let's go with these first. All right, I am curious how they look and feel. So, right. All right, so it's basically just a bag and a booklet, but we're not gonna use that right now. All right, so they are very all right. So looks interesting. First of all, we got a standard USB Type A, so we're gonna plug this in, of course, to your PC via USB. We have the controller over here. Basically, you could let's see what we got over here. This is basic. Oh, okay. So it does have LED, so you could turn on, turn off your LED. There's in the left-hand side over here. There's a mic mute and a mic on. That's okay. So we got the volume over here. This is just the dial. You can just turn it all the way up, turn it down. This is for the microphone. This is for the headset. Very nice. Okay. This. You guys might think this is none, but this is everything. So it's labeled right. So if you guys see it labeled right, and it's labeled left. All right, that is dope. And of course, we got a nice looking mic. I am gonna put them on, of course. I just wanna take these out, just to exactly see what is the difference. Okay, just like that. So anything interesting? Okay, we got a mic piece on this one over here. So that's pretty dope. Let's move that there. All right, these. Oh man, okay, these are weird. All right, so these have this weird design. So it doesn't have any knobs over here to essentially adjust your head sizes, or I guess this pad or this whatever you call this. This basically adjusts on its own once it's on your head. I'm gonna do that right now in a sec. They feel pretty dope. Let's put them on. This is a microphone over here. Basically, you can move it around. It has like a coil thing here, and this is the mic. You could turn it right over here. We have an off button and we have an on button. This doesn't have a hub to change the volume and all that stuff. Again, USB Type A. You're gonna plug this into your computer, into your front panel connector onto your computer or in the back of the motherboard, whichever works for you. But anyways, let's try. So this is how they this is basically how they feel. Now, I am looking at myself. They are pretty big. I'll be 100 with you guys. They're very loose. All right, so if you're moving around, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna fall. They're very loose. They don't grip your head. Not in the sense of gripping it tight and it's gonna hurt your head or hurt your ears. They're just like they're really loose. But if you like that, how should I say it? If you like that sag on your head, with the headphones, I mean, they probably are going to be, but they're way too loose for me. But anyways, that's one. Let's check these bad boys out. All right, so these have the adjustments All right, so depending how big your head is, you could adjust it. All right, so let's peep these. And the microphone is, you can't detach it. Same thing, it's undetachable. And we have the volume indicator on these headphones here. I don't believe I do see that. But anyway, so the mics are not detachable. Now let's check it out. Let's see this. Left, right. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I want to say they're a bit like noise canceling, at least these ones. So like I'm speaking right now and like I hear myself, but it's a little bit muffled out in the background. So these, I would say a bit noise canceling, but these you know, these are nice. They're tight, but in the sense of perfect, in the sense of a perfect, like it's not too tight. You're not, you're not gonna feel like any like stress going, in the sense of like closing down. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that, explains it, but they're good. They're like the perfect size. They're not too tight and they're not too loose. So as you see, if I'm shaking my head, they're not gonna fall out. Unlike these bad boys are very loose. They're gonna fall out very, very easy. But as you guys can see, they sit really well. You can raise the mic, lower the mic, put the mic closer, put it further away. So that's, that's dope. I like them. I like how they feel. These are dope. I want to try these on one more time. So yeah, these, I want to say these are noise canceling because they don't sit too tight, and the ear cups, the ear cups are very similar, but they just have a different feel to them. So yeah, so you're gonna most likely hear more background noise wearing these headphones compared to if I put on these headphones. If if you got roommates, if you got friends, if you got a baby, well listen, if you got a baby, you better not wear these, all right? Because your baby's gonna be crying. I need your behind going after your baby, all right? So if you got a baby, don't wear these headphones. But anyways, these, so yeah, if you got some background noise, it will muffle it out. So these feel really, really comfortable. Again, price range is dope. But anyways, this is what I want to do. I want to try them out. I want to do some audio tests, see how they sound, and see at the end of the day if they're worth it. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're going to do the audio from the headset itself. So I got the mic in right now. Basically, I mean, it's comfortable. I don't know how it sounds. You guys are going to let me know. So this is the control over here. So it does glow up. So we got a blue LED over here, and we got a blue LED over here. The only thing is with these headphones is like when you're speaking, so I'm speaking right now and I'm basically like hearing myself, like in my head. It's like, those noise canceling quote unquote headsets or headphones, I don't like that feeling, especially when it comes to a headset. I like more of the open ear, you know what I'm saying? So I could basically not like hear my own self in my own head, but that's just my own preference. But overall, so we got light here, we have the hub over here, so I could increase the volume of the mic, right? So I'm increasing. So this is at maximum right now. This is basically at maximum, and I have the headset close to my mouth. Now I'm gonna lower it, right? I'm gonna lower it slowly, and basically, you guys are gonna get an understanding on how the headset sounds. Down. And this is like on the, I want to say in the central position. Now the light, you could turn it off, turn it on. We can mute the mic. Right, and I'm doing this via addition. The only thing, my minor gripe I gotta say with the hub is it has weight, right? So when you're gaming or when you're just using it, you feel, this might nitpick, but you feel like there's a little weight. There's a little weight just pulling to your left. But of course it has a little clip over here. So for instance, I could just clip it and we good. But it's a little pain. That's a minor issue I have with it. But I mean, overall, the headset is great especially for gaming. When I was gaming, I had no problems. People actually heard me better on this headset as well as in my Discord server compared to the. I'm gonna demo the the other one right now, and we're basically you guys are gonna let me know how it sounds. But overall, this is it. It's comfortable. It's good. It doesn't move. I love the way it sits. Let's get the other one. Let's go. All right, guys. So I got the EG3 headset on. Listen, man. I'm like looking at myself. This thing is massive. I feel like I'm in like I got these metal prongs over here, man. I feel like I'm in a spaceship, like in a 40s movie or something. Yeah. But anyways, I got the mic. All right, so I guess I'm gonna put it as close as possible. Now again, this is how it basically would sound. I am recording this, like I said earlier, through Adobe Audition, so not exactly sure, but it's gonna come out. But overall, I mean, like I said, it does feel loose. So if you're like, turning your head quick. You know what I'm saying? If you're like trying to get some, you are gonna get that little shake. You know what I'm saying? If you think you got that headshot and some get scared, your headphones might fall off. You know what I'm saying? So, but these are not that bad in the sense of like I'm talking and it's not very like canceled out. Like I don't hear myself in my ears and my head that much. So these are a little easier, at least for me to speak into. But I would say gaming wise, I would have probably not rocked with these so much because they're just like too clunky. They don't sit really good on my head. Even though they have this thing over here, which is nice, the strap. But I don't know, But when I was speaking to people, they apparently told me that these were I was a little faded. But with the other ones, with the other MPOW headphones, they're a little, I guess it sounded a bit better. You know what I'm saying? So this is basically the mic close. Now I'm going to pull the mic off a little bit. So this is the mic essentially all the way out here. Now I'm going to put it here, and this is how it's going to basically sound. Now I'm going to mute it. And now it's unmuted, essentially. And what else we got? And we got some lights. All right, we got lights over here. So we have no we have no controller here. We can't adjust the microphone volume. Unfortunately, we do have volume indicator here for the headphones. So if you want to lower them or raise them or whatnot, but I mean that's basically it. This is how they sound. There's not a lot. There's not a lot to say. They're between $30 and $35. You know what I'm saying? So the price difference is not huge. So they get them on sale for like $25. So listen, it is what it is. If you want a budget, honestly, I would still go with the other ones because I like the way they felt and I like that had the control, even though the control was a little too heavy. But I mean, whichever one floats your boat, it is what it is, guys. But anyways, I'm KosherTech. I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Deuces.